It is March 3rd, and we're about an hour away from traditional market open in New York. And yeah, what's going to happen today with the Bitcoin and crypto markets now that President Trump yesterday issued an executive order, or tweeted that he issued an executive order and directed his crypto, people, including David Sachs, the crypto czar, to start building up basically the national crypto reserve, right? Basically a digital currency reserve. And the question is, well, there's a lot of questions, but in terms of trading, the question is, what's going to happen today? Well, if you've been looking at the VEPs today, you see that so far it's been doing exactly what I said yesterday in our Alpha Trading Discord. After the assets started to move significantly to the upside, everybody was saying, oh, it's because of the, everybody in the Twitter space was saying, oh, it's because of the POTUS, this is the POTUS pump, this is a Trump pump, it's a Donald pump. Well, no, we know that the assets were moving up because of a bull divergence that was forming and that was actually already running a good 15 minutes before his tweet went out. And so it was moving up. It's very clear, it's in the charts. And then, of course, there was mean reversion after the distribution went significantly to the upside. We saw Ethereum have relatively modest gains compared to a lot of the other cryptos. Litecoin also, and Litecoin already dumped back further down than where it was when it started to have that move to the upside yesterday. So that's interesting. And again, it's just, the VEPs doing their thing. Now, again, if you want to think about it long-term strategically, yes, does it make sense now to have in your portfolio Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, XRP? Well, since the United States is effectively buying these assets as an effective digital currency reserve, I would argue, yes, it makes sense to have the same assets in your portfolio. Not financial advice, political advice, right? They're basically saying, President Trump is basically saying he puts faith in digital currencies. Well, that's not so great for the US dollar. The president would say that, but at least long term. But it is perfectly good for crypto holders who happen to have those currencies for the long term. Does that mean day to day, today, that you should go all in on those 5 cryptos? No, it doesn't. Right? I mean, it means as a trader, obviously, intraday trader, a low time frame trader, you got to watch what the VEPS is doing, right? Long-term investments have nothing to do with trading. But yeah, it is a kind of a no-brainer at this point to be holding the 5 cryptocurrencies that the U.S. is going to buy and hold in its digital currency reserve. Right? That's kind of obvious, right? Doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure that one out. It's rocket scientist to figure out why it's important to have those assets in your portfolio at this point. So anyway, that will do it for now. I'll be back in a little bit with more questions about this whole topic because it's big. Bye.